Welcome all to JSBiology. So we learn how to install Chromas and then also use it for extracting AV1 files to faster format. Just search the name of the software and you will find number of download options here. I'm just going for the free version, the Chromas software, right? You need Chromas software to convert AV1 files to faster format. So it is taking us to Chromas 2.5 website here, the version 2.5. It's hardly 2 MB download it's showing up. So let me download it. So download version 2.5.0 from software informatics. Download. This here. And then your software is getting downloaded. Once it gets downloaded, I will run the software and install it. It's almost done now. So we can start with its installation. So let's open the setup and click on run. So it's getting saved in the C drive itself. It's a small software, so no need of worrying for memory. It should start by now. It's taking some time. Okay, it's starting. So accept the agreement, go through and just accept it. Then next, creating the desktop. All these things you can do it by yourself. You will have downloaded and installed many softwares, I suppose. So this is a small software, it will not take much time. So this is how the software gets installed and it opens up its first window on my PC. So this is how we install Chromas software.